If you've just realized that some important photos have gone missing from your OneDrive, don't worry, you're not out of options yet. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover deleted photos from OneDrive so you don't lose those valuable memories. By the end, you'll know how to quickly and confidently restore your pictures in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and get those photos back where they belong. So the first and best place to check is the OneDrive Recycle bin. Think of this as a safety net that catches anything you've deleted, whether it was on purpose or by accident. Whenever you remove something, OneDrive doesn't erase it forever right away. Instead, it hangs onto it for a little while just in case you have second thoughts. That's great news if you need to recover those lost photos. Here, what to do. Start by heading to OneDrive.com and signing in with the Microsoft account you use for your photos. If you're already signed in, perfect. Just navigate to your OneDrive dashboard. Now look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu, and in that list you should see an option called Recycle Bin. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your recently deleted items are temporarily stored. Once you're in the Recycle Bin, you should see a list of deleted files and folders, including your photos. Sometimes, if you have a lot of deleted items, it might take a moment for everything to load. Be patient. Take your time scrolling through. These items are typically sorted by their deletion date, with the most recently deleted shown first. If you can't find your photo at first glance, don't panic, double-check the list, and maybe use the search bar at the top to help narrow things down by file name or type. When you spot the photos you want to get back, simply click to select them. You can select one, or if you've deleted multiple, you can select as many as you need by holding down the Control key or Command on a Mac and clicking each photo. Once you've highlighted your selections, look for the Restore option usually found at the top of the page. Click on Restore, and OneDrive will put those photos right back into their original folders, just like rewinding time. This might only take a few seconds, but if you're restoring a lot of files or large photos, it could take a bit longer. Don't worry if the restore process isn't instant, it's working behind the scenes to bring your memories back. Now, it's really important to be aware of OneDrive's retention limits. If you're using a personal OneDrive account, deleted items stay in the recycle bin for 30 days before they're permanently erased. For work or school accounts, there's a bit more wiggle room. Items usually stick around for up to 93 days. If your photo was deleted outside these time frames, unfortunately, it might be gone for good from the recycle bin. So the sooner you check, the better your chances of recovering what you need. And that's it, you've just restored your photos. It might seem simple, but you'd be surprised how many people forget to check the recycle bin or don't realize how much time they have to recover their files. If you run into any hiccups, double-check that you're signed into the right account and make sure you're looking in the web version of OneDrive, since some functions might look different on mobile. If this video helped you out, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have down in the comments, I'm happy to help. And if you want more quick tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching and good luck recovering your photos.